God in the nature, and glory or praise goes to those things. As the poem starts, the persona praises all the spotted things. Spotted means all you see in the nature, of the nature which are various in color. You can see there are different colors, and these are the creation, beautiful creation of God. And we can say them that dappled. Dappled means spotted. Second line, who skies of couple of colors as brindled cow, who rose, moles, all stipple upon the trout that sweet. Actually, I have read both lines together because actually praise to those things, especially the poet has brought different colorful images from the nature here. Especially the persona has used two metaphors like skies, couple color, the persona has used two metaphors like skies, couple color, and a simile as brindled cow. You know brindled cow, cow has got also different colors. You can find like brown and white. And the poet has brought, especially he has used here metaphor as well as similes, and he has brought two images of the nature. Sky color, it represents the heaven, and cow, it represents the earth. So he has brought two beautiful images as well. They are sky and the earth. Creation of God, which represents the earth. So he compares the different color of the sky as for the different times. So sky, simply you know the color of the sky. Simply the color of the sky is blue. But in course of season, in different daytimes, you may see different color sky. So, and brindled cow means the earth, especially color of the brownish and white cow. He uses different images of the nature, like trout. It is a kind of fish with natural dust on the unique pattern. The poet has brought here an images of fish. Trout is a fish. Actually, see the beautiful creation of fish. The fish looks so beautiful itself, and the color pattern it has got, and it is also very beautiful. And you can see their beautiful Midas touch of God. So Midas touch, or we could say that the very final touch of Creator when you see the trout. And fourth line is that phrase, firecoal, chestnut, false, French wing. In the fourth line, the poet has compares phrase firecoal with chestnuts. You know firecoal, how does it look? How beautiful it looks. Actually, fire contains all the color. In fact, right? When you light the fire, you could notice all the colors. In the same way, chestnut, when it falls and when it breaks itself, and you could see the similar color like fire. Actually, while chestnut fall, its inner parts seems like the color of the fire. As fire contains multicolor, the same way, fringes, wings look same. Fringes, actually it's a small bird, very, very tiny birds. Those birds are found in different colors, and the poet has compared three things here itself: fresh firecoal, chestnut, and fringes. I mean, tiny birds, which is like they twitch too much, and their color of their feathers. Okay, fifth line, landscape plotted and paced, fold, hollow, and claw. As I told you in the beginning that this poem contains some lyrical qualities. Especially here you can see some what we say that sprung rhythm also. What is written here? Landscape plotted and paced, fold, hollow, and claw. Its meaning is that Likewise, the poet has talked about topography of the nature. So in this line, you can see the poet has brought the landscape as an image. So you know the landscape, see our country. Somewhere you could see mountains, hills, plain. At the same way, somewhere you could see very rocky areas, right? Topography, that is dharatal, and nature, which actually which is different landscape, like plotted means what we say, that divided. At the same way, cultivated, which is plowed, uncultivated, fallow, and which is ready for showing the seed. And these different these different color land looks in multicolor, like brown, green, yellow, black, and so on. Again, the poet has talked about the multicolor of the nature, multicolor of the geographical structures. Likewise, 6.1, all trades their gear, tackle, and tree. Especially here, the poet has brought an image of human being. Especially all trade means all the walk of life, means all professional people, farmers, fishermen, woodcutter, and so on. In the sixth line, the poet talks about all profession people like farmer, woodcutter, fisherman, and so on, as well as their tools. Especially their gear means their tools. Somehow, the poet indicated their direct or indirect connection with the nature. Yes, we could see, though we are from different sectors, though we are from different walks of life, the poet has brought an images of human being. We are human being. We are also creation of God, and we are also different. And the poet has depicted that one here itself. The way they uses their gears to handle those whatever they do, and they use their gears for that purpose. You also can see there a kind of colorful meaning over here. 7th and 8th, I love to read together. All things counter, original spear, strength, whatever is freckled, who knows how. You can see here a rhetorical question, or you could say that a metaphorical question is here, raised here itself. In line 7 and 8, the poet talks about all the spotted things, all colorful things. They are in different color patterns. No one knows that why all those things, these things change or short-lived, because God's creation is mysterious. God knows it's one creation. And especially here you could see, who knows how. Generally, we people can't understand the creation of God, because it's beyond our thought. It is beyond our that rational mind. Therefore, God's creation is mysterious, and only God knows it's one creation. Last 9, 10, and 11 line, with swipe, slow, sweet, shower, a dazzle, and deep. He fathers forth, whose beauty is past change, praise him. Especially here also you could see lyrical elements. He has brought some antonyms here itself, like swift, fast, slow, sweet, shower, a dazzle, bright and deep. So he fathers, especially here, fathers itself is the year of love. He just fathers forth means develop or grow or bring up, you could say it that way. And whose beauty is past, whose beauty is beyond change, and praise him. At last, here you could see the praise him, means humble request of the poet, praise him. So now, my meaning is that the poet has brought some antonyms like swift, fast, slow, sweet, and shower, a dazzle and deep. Here we also can see different patterns of word to explain the beauty of the nature. God's creation is colorful, as we know. Actually, those things are beyond human thought and full of mysteries. Therefore, many literary figures always focus on nature's beauty, and their lyrics, poems, stories, novels, dramas, based on these things.